everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make ebi mayo onigiri. It's onigiri rice ball with shrimp filling. You may have heard of tuna mayo filling, and this is like shrimp version of it. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this ebi mayo onigiri. So stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need. 2 cups of Japanese rice, nori seaweed, 200 grams of shrimp, 1 tablespoon of sake, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, and 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Japanese Kewpie mayo is available. I'm preparing the rice first, so let's rinse it. Put some water. Stir gently. Drain. And just repeat this 3 or 4 times. Put the rice in the pot. It's 2 cups of rice, so let's add 2 cups of water. Rice and water is always 1 to 1. Put the lid on and soak the rice in this water more than half an hour. This is to give enough time for rice to soak up the water to the core, so the rice is nice and fluffy to the core when it's cooked. In the meantime, let's prepare the filling. Shrimp and sake in the food container. Put the lid on. Don't seal it tight. Just put it on like this and microwave. I did 3 minutes at 600 watts and it's completely cooked. Take them out on paper towel and dry well. And cool down to room temperature. Okay, let's chop it up into small pieces. But make sure not to make it too small. You want to enjoy the bouncy texture. Let's put it in the bowl. Put soy sauce and mayonnaise. Mix it well. And the filling is done. If you want to make it spicy, you can add some sriracha sauce or chili flakes. Now, the rice has been soaked in the water more than half an hour, so let's cook. Just turn the heat on and bring it to boil. Once it comes to boil, turn the heat to low as you can go, and let it cook for 12 minutes. Cook for 12 minutes. Kill the heat and let it steam for 10 minutes. No sneak peeking. It's been steamed for 10 minutes, so let's fluff it. Put the lid back on and cool it down. I left it for about half an hour, and it's somewhere between lukewarm and room temperature. Make sure the rice is not too hot or too cold when you're making this onigiri. If it's too hot, it will melt the mayonnaise in the filling, and if it's too cold, it's difficult to shape. Now, let's make it into onigiri. I'm cutting these nori seaweed into onigiri size. I have 4 sheets here. And this is a longer side and this is a shorter side. Fold 1/3 in and fold it backwards and cut. Fold it into half. Fold it backwards and cut. Prepare some salt and bowl of water. The rice is very sticky, so you need to keep your hands wet all the time. I'm using this small bowl to standardize the size of onigiri. Wet the bowl. Put some rice and make a little dent. Some filling into the dent. Cover it with a little more rice. Wet your hands. Put some salt. Rub it all over. Take the rice on your hand and try to make it into triangle shape. Put the nori seaweed like a jacket. Tuck the bottom in. And it's done. Let me show you one more time. Wet the bowl. Put some rice. Make a little dent. Some filling. Little more rice on top. Wet your hands. Put some salt. Take it out into triangle. Put the nori seaweed. And when you look at the nori seaweed, there's a rough side and shiny side. Put the onigiri on this rough side. So the shiny side goes outside of your onigiri, so it looks prettier. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Let's put ebi mayo onigiri here and tofu, kimchi and egg miso soup here. The soup contains a lot of protein, so let's pass the main. Anything you like for the side dishes, but I think I want to have something green. So let's have ingen no peanuts for one of them and some sort of pickles to refresh your palate for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!